Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am doing a little bit of a different plan with me style. We get through it, okay? I will summarize it. We get through it, but this is absolutely completely different than obviously planning with stickers and everything like that. And I still have stickers I can plan with, and I really thought about planning with stickers, but you know what? I had an itch to use these mild liners, and you know what? I answered my call, and here we are. So this whole spread is done with only mild liners. And I found out that if you go over the mild liners more than once during like the line, the paper kind of like balls up a little bit, and that's no bueno. But I don't do it very often. Like there, you saw it. And for some reason, I couldn't grip these. I don't know if it's because I just haven't planned in a while or what, but my hands were just not functioning. Like literally every time you see me switch kind of mild liners, you'll see like the struggle of like turning it and like getting it to work. But we do get there. So let's give a little bit of an update. So I am now halfway through my pregnancy. I have a couple vlogs and posts about it. If you guys didn't know, I am pregnant and I am now halfway through. And the vlogs that I have, I want to say have edited, but you know, that isn't always the case, and it's not the case here. I know. I promise you I will edit. I think since we are now into August and I'm like mid-July with my vlogs, I'm going to do kind of like a weekly vlog, move on in a weekly vlog, because I find myself not vlogging as much during the week. Was it last week I vlogged quite a bit during the middle of the week? I feel like it was, but this week, meaning today is the 9th at 10:13. Oh, there's my nose. And I filmed this right before this, and now we're here. So this will be going up today. I'm assuming my internet will be fine since we have, gigabit internet. It will go probably up by 11, but yeah, so here we are. I don't know. Okay. So obviously you see I'm wearing a different ring. This is not my wedding ring. My fingers got so fat again. So I'm like 5 months in, but they don't fit. And I'm really sad about it, okay? I'm like really sad about it. But it's okay. I ordered a little fake one and it's doing all right. It's hanging in there. The other ones literally don't fit over my finger. So we decided to do the fake one. I debated just like doing a band, or what are those things called? Like the silicone ones or the rubber bands, like the workout ones that everyone uses. I have some, but I have them in my like actual ring size. So I didn't order the larger size. So my wedding rings were a size 8, but my fingers were about a 7.5. So I had like room, especially during the winter time, but I think they're well over an 8 now. These ones are a size 10 and they can slide like right off, but they're good for now. And I hope I don't outgrow these, but I potentially could, because looking at how pregnant people get, meaning how big they get, holy moly, look out world, here I come. Is that terrible to say? Because I'm just expanding. So I am carrying a boy, and so he is definitely all in my hips. Like I am wide. Oh my God, I guess I forgot how to plan because I am all up in this video. Maybe because it's like me writing and like highlighting. I'm going to go with that. Yeah, so I'm carrying him all in my hips. He's pretty low. I'm feeling him kick now, which is the weirdest thing. I shouldn't say, I don't know if he's kicking. He could be punching me. He could be doing somersaults, but like I feel the bubbles and then I feel like a pressure. So again, I'm almost on Sunday. So today's Friday. Sunday I'll be 21 weeks. And then I have my doctor's appointment next week, next Friday, actually a week from today. And I'm really excited. So it's the anatomy scan, which they go like look at all the toes and all the fingers, hoping they're all there. Gosh, I'm so nervous. I have, yeah, there's a struggle. I have white coat syndrome, and that is real. So I had high blood pressure like every single time I went, except for this last time so I'm taking baby aspirin, which they told me to take, or sorry, low dose aspirin. They don't call it baby aspirin anymore, marketing. Low dose aspirin. And even though when my doctor told me, she's like, we understand that it says don't take if you're pregnant. However, we're telling you to take it. And I'm like, okay, all right. And literally, like, that's unanimous. Like, every doctor I've seen, like, they've given me heads up that they want me to take it and stuff like that. So it's not like they sprung it on me on that appointment. And every doctor, midwife, nurse practitioner said that they all put first-time moms and even sometimes, like, second-time moms, like, on the low-dose aspirin to essentially keep your blood thinner so you don't have a blood clot and die. Yeah, real life right there. So yeah, I don't want to die during childbirth, just saying. I want to raise my child with my husband and hopefully have more. Well, okay, I just watched a birthing video. I shouldn't have not watched that. Oh God. I don't know how we do it. I don't know how females do it. I'm sorry. I don't. I literally don't. And I'm not talking anything about this plan with me. I hope you don't mind. It's a rambly one with me that's not anything to do with what I'm writing. But then again, you guys probably don't care. At least I hope not. Or if you've watched me long enough, you know that I ramble. And I think that's part of my quote-unquote charm. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, so yeah. I have that, and that is on Friday, so it's at lunchtime. Thank God they don't be like, oh yeah, you can't eat before you come. I'd be like, girl, telling a pregnant person not to eat is like, no. But I have been so thirsty lately. I drink so much water. It's like outrageous amount of water. I was like, damn, like, and I have to go to the bathroom all the time. All the time. TMI, I know. But like every 20 minutes. And he's not even like on my bladder. Like I haven't like, you know, I'm not like big. I mean, I'm not small, but I'm not like pregnant, like full on, you know, 7 months in. So I can't imagine. And I have to get that testing done, was it diabetic testing or whatever? I also have to get that done. But I also started working out again, which I didn't put in here. I forgot. I should have probably put in there. But like I said, it's pregnancy brain is real as well. And I think we're finishing up this because I don't think I put anything down for Saturday and Sunday because I don't know for sure if I'm doing anything like exciting. Although highlighting laundry, is that really exciting? I don't know. Oh yeah, so we are finishing up here, just looking at the timeline. So thank you guys so much for watching, hanging out with me while I blabber because it's been a minute, okay? And I miss you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.